Here I have VIVO IQOO Z5X, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and after the turn off menu appears you have to hold down a finger on power off. Then when it suggests you to reboot to safe mode, just tap OK and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.